Hey guys, my name is Jack. I'm with Dressel Divers, and today I'm going to be teaching you a few helpful tips and strategies on how to equalize while scuba diving. Now, it's important that before you even go diving, you've always stayed hydrated. This will allow air to pass freely through your ears, nose, and throat without anything getting stuck and making it more difficult for you. Alright, so while we're on the boat going out to the dive site, you want to equalize before you even get in the water. This is to ensure that you know you can do it properly and that you're starting off the dive on the right foot, not having any buildup of pressure. How I like to equalize is I take my two fingers here, pinch my nose, and I blow lightly through my nose. This will create a small pop in your ears and you know you've successfully equalized. After we jump off the boat, while we're in the water, before we even start a descent, one more time, equalize above the surface to make sure everything's okay. Once you release the air from your BCD and you start your descent, as soon as your head drops below the surface, equalize one more time. It's super important. The number one rule of equalizing is to do it early and often. This makes sure that you don't have any troubles as you descend. I like to equalize about every 1 meter or half meter to be ahead of the game and to make sure it goes smoothly and I can descend easily. It's important to keep your head, your neck, and your shoulders loose, not tense, so everything can stay open and you can successfully equalize. If you're having troubles during a descent, you'll want to signal to your instructor or your guide, something's wrong with my ears. Then you'll stop your descent. Some tips to help you equalize if you're having troubles is you can point your head up. This will help open everything up. Try one more time. If that doesn't work, you could try moving your head from side to side. Say this ear you're having troubles with. You could point it to the sky and try equalizing like that. If that doesn't work, again, pinch your nose, maybe swallow, wiggle your jaw a little bit. These are all different techniques that can help open it up. Now, last resort, if none of those works, you can always rise up a meter or two and try again. Ascend 1 meter, try one more time, and continually ascend 1 meter. Try again until you successfully equalize. Once you're at a good point where you successfully equalize, you can begin your descent one more time. Remember, go slowly and equalize early and often. I hope you can use these tips in your next dive and enjoy. Cheers.